Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Are you getting it? Ebony has done wrong. What are you telling me? What am I? Listen, away or fema woman, I will look. Ebony, I have nothing against you. But for this very one that is on internet now, you have done wrong. I don't know any beef between you guys. But this one, that's what I'm talking about. Because I am saying it whole because Esther now, if you watch Esther Adokpa, lady of song, my lady, I'm very sorry to bring you in. I will definitely bring you in. If you watch her now, since Esther came back from UK, she's been on a low key. She's been on a low key. And I believe she's prospering like that. You can't be in the UK, you don't have sense, you don't get sense, you are not okay. Are you normal? Let there be change in you. In all way round, in all ramifications of life. You can't just sit down. In as much social media is paying each and everybody, monetize. In as much as social media is paying people or is paying everybody, that does not make you anything, or you just sit down, you want to bring problems out. Because look at Maris now, you have molested her. You have molested her. So I don't really understand Ebony. For real. How can you say West African musician already? Really? Musicians are in Benin. Good ones are that. Esther is good on her own. Esther is perfect in her own way. She is blessed with music. So are so many others. If there is no musician in Benin, Esther said Mrs. Omoruyi is a mentor. So if there is no Pama, who is to mentor Esther? There have been musicians ever before Esther was born. So you be just trying to create problem in the industry. Then industry work divided by 100 the canon. Head of here, why I said Bekoko. Sorry to say, I don't mean to insult any one of you. And when we are see Okpamen, and when an illegal we are beginning, Esther even ladnas one go there nania. I wear baby balloy. But look at what you've just done. Madison, Amate, Ediopia Pafia, Amae, Ediopia Leo, Amae. But you are bringing all these things out. You are bringing it out one by one. Time, mana, watching your daughter. If they know before you're not a town, me mete home. Gele mete home. Ate wa bebe gwe woke ne de wo se lo ama we domofu when a fresh ikai. You don't know what they have for marriage. But for the fact that we're tane ye. Gwale kenana la rien gbege yin. No na bie munyagbe. Sisi nya won ama. Mo mweko ni. Egbe won mweko ni. Ebony what? Ebony walking? Esther very belle since no UK so one. Obiere emi no mi ewugbe. O iwe buy we. Itale na we shake oduga. O shake me there shake wa. And the believe we say Okpamen yalo. Ebony, you have not done well. I'm telling you the truth. Believe me or not. You have not done well. If you want to praise anybody, praise that person in your own little way. Don't say in the whole Benin. We don't mayahina. In West Okpamen waya wakbea. Just apare da mamo dobra yere redere. What's the number when start that we continue in one since in your paredo. Since in your paredo. Me men waya me men en fonction he. Me men en fonction he. Hali nakina. Wavesu. But yeah. Nene woman age comment u de no u balance se. Kuya se mo pati mu damu egogo. Barack Obama abishe da barake. La ho zo bo we kugun mete mata. Itemata we ni pa social media we itemata. Itemata. So what is it? Ebony Truth be told, my darling sister, or what I we cannot temata. We wow or we are ever matter. We have great musicians, authentic one, solid one. When I'm me away. Who work in stand up by the J, Obijere Vagoletti. A can stand at the microphone, you laugh on stage, Oleti cannot do it. What are you telling me? Oh, ha! I no go one. Buy a bunu go one. You don't bunu go. A can only let you know what a man. All this all this DJ they play for what are they call them? All those desk all those CD, this thing, good evening, sirs. All those CD ticket, all those party club, like whatever. Oleti now what a man. Oleti cannot handle Mac for 3 hours. He cannot do it. But Esther can stand for 24 hours. It's fair or near a big boy. So are other musicians. Go. Ekele go na de microphone for 24 hours. If let's like Abama now with the look music, I am a fan of music. I love music. When it comes to Benin music, wholeheartedly, I love it. So what are you telling me? Everybody gets your star. Everybody gets your star. I not be lawyer, Shadrach Barak. Listen well. Ebony never mentioned him, but Ebony said, now let Esther be musician for Benin. What do you mean? As big as Benin, as large as Benin. And if you forget, remember Esther, na still my party. So if you see something they spoil, talk on. If you know why you talk, rest, not Ben Matt, talk. Shadrach. Tomorrow might be your day with your real account. You don't know his next. And nobody from anywhere will still stand up for your sake. More will tell ourselves truth. Even if saying me wrong, forget saying me they talk the talk. Correct me if you don't want to bring it to a public notice. Correct me inboxly, inwardly. I will yield to your advice. If I'm not going to take, you can bring me to the lamplight if you wish to. You understand? What's his name? Shadrach. You understand? For where if for thought say now only Esther, they automatically, apart from Esther, there's no other person. If you say it was joke, Shadrach, listen. If you're saying it's joke, it's too expensive. That joke is too expensive. Who they call me? I'm on life, man. If you say it was joke, that joke, that joke is too expensive. It's an expensive joke. Hello, yeah, Natasha, in real life. In real life video. And you know what? Oh, sorry, later. Are you getting me? Do you understand that? So, Shadrach, I am not in any way saying this or that. We are saying it the way it is. It's not a joke. If you see it as a joke, it's too expensive. It's the height of it. It's the height of it. You don't crack jokes like that. You don't drop publicity like that. To you, it's just like, I don't talk on, I might talk. Oh, I go there, me go there. Then you are dragging people's name to mud. You are molesting them. Okay, Shadrach or Lare, uwe joking, not Shadrach. Lare, we know what we name no way. Since in as much as you say na joke, Ebony day, Abi, as the polo marries now. They say Gebele. Chebi give my Belena go the clap for asking why you phone. Chebi give my Belena go the clap for Ebony. Abi, you be no say Gebele. Even if you know, not be say you be hard down for her. Not be say you be hard down for her. That go say UK, ubi mama UK. Ubi pomusalobo huela wa. You know mana be wona udezie. Udezie. All you mweko ko kware o. All this same mweko. The most important thing on hama. Me mate God pregnant. Imegi na. If you twe when me atala, he had about wobu when we am conference ni. When me in say jam, when me jam, Ebony jam na Ebony ogbe wa bidagbo. That is what I am saying. History should stop repeating itself. If you are fighting for somebody, fight a fight of just. If you are a friend and a lover, that marriage don't talk. Shadrach ni metana we mahon. E marisi nye kama no rion gbe no ya atale tale mi be we me marisi se video. E talo ina gbin je o gbmeria. Marisi ege gbin. E marisi talo ohun wa ke na talo sa pe yen re talo because omo ne re gba na no. E to we ìyàwó ra ira fuafua. Ose me yo be agmo reze ken yo wenya. Obielete waru mona yo beva gwe. Wa biele no wala. Me ma yeme wa no biele de. Wa le wa ogen bia mo material agwo gen ne gina jo mo je mi. No problem. So we ni aka ya agwegwe o. Eri akin mu o cafe obo for 2 years yo. Ni mama enwero. We mi adokpe gogo yo nwa. We mi matalad. She draki no water. Iya ya twa Ebony ya twa sefie ni pa huwe unu. Agbagbima. All of us na street, all of us dey. They say woman will never marry. Oh, better person na boyfriend. Until you see permanent. And that will make permanent agbona. Unless that na the man want use himself turn to permanent. Now it go be permanent. Now street all of us, they forget all this our Abba say. Like me, I've been saying it often and often, time without number. I'm not a saint. Look my face, no, I'm not be saint. I feel where you do way big with son, who do one, ne do a man who say loama. Who no rock for all of them? Who no rock? You need to any industry. Who no rock for all of them? All my industry were there, or we are not seeing no one, not aware any no one. You're not working so somebody so and so no. Or they for 500 naira for your cat. Elwe ba yaje. Mama je. We no ka go work Bruce. Awe and I'm asa day. Gele na asa day better nwa me ato him. Shadrach, you want marry me? Shadrach, wait, we'll talk that one later. I don't want joke for this matter. No change that for me. I don't like what Ebony do. If now only she they just the molest now, okay. A guy, it's none of my business. It's really none of my business. Are you getting it? But they not drag marriage into it. Marriage not be give you body, not be give yourself belly. Now person give her belly. So the person now you go sit down and you know say now the stupid news way, illegal news way they fly and I person they first see. Even if Nigeria the baby husband baby father marriage, I'm sorry, 9 day I don't know. Even if na UK yeah day, I will not want meet and stable and steady. Anywhere you reach, even if you not get for phone, you quick see free wifi, you connect them hotspot. Who's he get me on beg no sunuwaji? You think that person will be happy? Ebony na say no do obaluhene. Obaluhene, we wa una wa baluhe. Even if you can woman do. Okay, that way. Even if marriage matter where or whatever, it's not done. And then stand that don't get to many business any. Agba glass ya only attempt say because a Shadrach now. What is I game? No, what is game? My father said, "I want you my way." It dey my peoples. My ya boy I on down. A big kele. I'm coming. It's not ya me. Please, you need to do more the camera. Ebony, but I want it. That one in that one in your crack. What is it? Titalo. You can be boom a bell. We have to saddle. You can walk. You can walk. It's them, my people. I must be looking at that. Maybe baby, if I were little women by my head. Mona, wait at the con. Carrying. It was go yelling and so. If they didn't name people. Nene don't tell her now. It my friend. It up there. I'm gonna what there. After go where I want to know. No fella will be. I will have the more people that are so media. Okay, c'est va où le temps quoi où yo. I will have the matin not do. I know you guys are doing Nigeria. Or there no him Jack I work. Or there another way birthday. Other no do wo I'm well at them. With them my people I think be. I'm well at them is very weird. So people want do balo. E can any where they are call it to your howe. E can when na dojo wariefua we see ko down. I will na me bagbo. In as much as you are not married. Eh? Okay. Ana gele mi maro no gele maro ugwe boni. Atiki ya han akpo bonu we na gwo ngwa le una orere no. Iya wi na mi go ni wa ru security senior eni wa fun ebo do. Ni wa bonu je hian. Ya pe ebo do. Ni wa le we mi o we epeke akweke me ya. Ya tell Manchester. Eni wa we balo ebo do. The Munawe no revo nine security we ni so to Nigeria mpo. Ogbara ma no doje school ma. Ogbara ma no doje school ma ofo Smith or Basui. I will not call you because of that surname. Doy. It Ebony at no work instantly. I will still leave you because what's here? Ukpo agbana. You know really live next year. In my baby, ya have fun. We know ma. So I forgive you. You don't insult people like that. You don't expect me to come here and clap for Ebony. Because anything, anybody is sharper than the enemy sword. Why do you people hate truth? It might be bitter. It might be bitter. But it's the truth. It's the truth. I am not in one side, Smith. I am not in one side. Smith, Iro Bokba. If you say I'm on one side, it's like you just they enter. I will not argue with you if you say I'm on one side. I agree because we were that loud now. But let me repeat myself. From what I watched, Smith. From what I watched. From what I know I didn't listen to Sandra's video for real. But you know Sandra and Sandra in general. There is a way she always do it. Even if you say Sandra the verse, she go the smile for your face. But you know who she go pretend to the old world. Say yes, she na Oduga, she na boss lady. She dey respect that her name, boss lady. But if you know, if you to law, forget that thing. My back be ma. Only my when you know. Are you getting me? So Smith, I'm not insulting you because that surname. I will not insult you because why? Not because of Ebony, because of miracle. Let me respect that name first. Because of miracle. Not because of Ebony, because of miracle. Ma, you're living like that. Are you getting it? Okay, I don't watch Sandra's video, as you said. I haven't really watched Sandra's video. But Ebony, the one where Ebony talk, you not look at. Say, now only Esther, my darling, now be the musician. So, meaning the rest people are going to is a beer bad that Buya ever? Ain't so. While the tower so when I am on even home, and it's true, it's obvious, my beggar mark by anyone. I swear, Mark Bay, yes, it's so many lyrics in a voice. Now, I swear, it's so bad, maybe no, we got New York, Macolo, you know, so, man, always Arasaroni. If you want me to be able to beg better. But you may not see a level that way social media. What you can hurt him, or you swear. And you go what you just to do. Or Martin will come to my show. Near to tire, I wasted time. You have to 13 around or 200 around. Where he do tell me by a it gets me by one way paracetamol. Are you getting it, Smith? But in as much as Ebony has come, oh, we have to be a man or sing one. Yeah, man. If you're saying musical whatever, they're comprised of two. What do they call her? May I go read law? Shadrach avec go pack with. Shadrach part where we messing. But I believe that you don't see truth. You don't see fact with me. If only say now only Ebony they just talk to us. Ebony talk say now only Esther because Esther na her fan na her party. Somebody the time of Esther can pay. When I tell behind neck, may I tell you something? You know how many enmity I carry till date, till tomorrow. But I not concern me. Somebody told me, oh her. Oh, when I start, when I baby, Toto Wienjo, or when I go baby, I baby Toto Wienjo. Now her choice. You know, woman like one use that of a element, only I will it born on it. Only my star. You know, like where that one talk, it may time now, quote me anywhere more time. Why no, not idea, like this here, Bulwa. It's near me, we stood 1-on-1. If I lie, he say me no Esther, me or the carry Esther matter for her, carry for her. I say, what it concern you? Now mad at us. What it concern Esther? Is there Esther where he born? That picky where he born? Now to say na he born na he first daughter born na. Na wo. Oh telekwele. Ina you no let any. Ina no let people hear o. I will not be learner. Ina where you? Ina how you tell no Esther? Where you know Esther this? Because a British passport in Google, where you know establish this person by the thought. If I lie, or be friend. If I lie, now where you know I rich? You get bene, and then I go and I go or sick and where I knew. Magumena fear go ni jon who not any bed high. But that notwithstanding, I still carry up my job, clean heart and clean mind. Are you getting it? If you are saying they offended Ebony, Smith Obasuyi, if you are saying they offended Ebony before Ebony can't talk what he talk, now what we see we talk, we not see that one. And all of them offend Ebony. Now musical people offend Ebony. Or if we say that the actress offend Ebony, most say okay, I be knocking na him. Oh, Bella, where we are here, waluwa bugbe. More talk like that, fine. If you say now they offend Ebony first, if you say so, you fit solicitor. Oh God, hey, me why me paracetamol or what? Ebony always using direct talk to a person. Now go see that one. Now Ebony, I no go see. Okay, listen, Smith Obasuyi. We know they curse Ebony now. We know they beat them. I don't carry king. I don't carry cutlass. I just this my mouth. But let's say the truth the way it is. If one person offend person, not be everybody offend person. And if person offend person, not be media. You say it indoor. If the matter go on iron indoor. If you on iron, you rest. I know the verse say Ebony talk to them. You know what are the verse put? I know the verse for Ebony. But what are the verse we say? Now because you see, I say now because of what Ebony call talk now. Now they content they insult Maris now. Esther almost enter. You know, say that one, oh, you must sweet. I marry a baby, you know, you buy my dejo. I'm when I go up, me one and la. And then start go no one, so I get agmon. You dey feel me so in your mommy. So now be that Ebony, you be no say Maris Gebele Smith or Basso, you be no. You be no say Gebele. Okay, the money made there 6 months. Ukbe wavere. Ukbe wavere. So more tell ourselves the truth. Justice for Ebony. Oh God, let peace reign. Oh no, my God. Are you getting it, Smith? Now good news, but who get Ibele? You say I say he can't show. You say I say he can't tell people say na pregnant you. I pregnant you. If a man no win, I don't know what there ya wa tama bonya we even ya. Smith. She doesn't want it. You don't see picture where a man is there do birthday. All these old school pics. It's not possible now. A Maris want do birthday. Can't use old picture, old picture. They do birthday. It's never possible. Not be Maris. So they really make us to believe she's pregnant, and we wish her success. If not be this talk, now this is this thing for combat until she born. I don't want to be a Edo go do with the la mi obi ave gbomorone, ave gbomorene. So maybe everybody was just looking for a way to they must you want to cheat bomba, they want to bombard themselves. And it might be they were really giving Ebony internal heat. Ebony and person doesn't really get strength to take hits more time ourselves truth or even in or one no never be is you egg or while or one or while it die or never your Okpafio, you know, while the young home be. And you know, the metal while one can do a Benny Galero Sandra Bear gang to fight Ebony because of a Nagua family. Which will be a Nagua again. Shadrach Barak, rewrite your comment. Rewrite your comment, my darling. You understand me so? So nah. Say we don't know now. Say marriage get belle. If born whether na truth I don't know. I remember saw I not go lie for that one. Now so this, now so that I been a market. He good. He not good. Now person give him that belly. The person go still hear the record. He must still hear the video, whatever. He must hear her. There are some things you need to let go because of some certain things. There are some certain things you need to let go. Na kinaro imenya imi esiri na jena wana item after why akin we na let peace re wo kina abe woro wi me na ero wi me la ho won ha ojo mi esi na mi esi ona no wa je bo ko mi na okay Shabella let peace re we Shabella remember wetin na ni we pattern. Okay, you can lie. Remember saying her destiny brother Sandra born for. Now your Ebony get hit. People she can't meet for the industry. Remember we me who na. Even can Ebony woman where obokpa gbere. Even gbere diana wa Ebony iwe de commentators what him we like egbe movement na. Wa gbon mu te kopa. Let me stand still in one accord. What problem? Why can I'm on the Sandra bien a big bag worker, never even to Talacotarania. Oh, yeah, the way is saying, like, want to start to water. I have problem. But would I tell you, why did I process a move? But I can need this. I'm nowhere this in winner. About this. Tell me by. Ala ne gana lawa. Me understand. So some jana untan. Hey yo bo me. What's the my people? Yeah, even manner of it's really nyama. Why go do? If fast me do wa go gbe. Yeah, lie na. Ije. Oh, Shabella. I'm no do. I'm listening. Desire you tell that don't have though. Jesus, I not be solicitor. More tell us the truth. No. Now the truth to the talk now. Why am I told you? If my truth offend you as a friend or a lover, I am sorry. But I promise when I say also truth, I go to tell you. You understand? Everybody have right to fight in any way she wish to fight back. What if Boman come and so? Or what if Boman win so? Are you getting it? But dragging malice into it, bringing first I will join her very soon. Destiny about go enter. They no got but 1914. Yeah, the baby to bem. Yeah, that is social media for you. That is wise. Sometimes even on any. Upo 16 or what no. Forget the financial aspect. Forget the publicity. Forget the famous or the influence part. The influential part of it. Let it be positive. Let it be positive. Eh? Awa dere ni yana. Wale kuliya la wa. Ederio. We mi po bedere na we tie. MC Edo pikin. Woga mi Roger. All married men. Oh, back, go. Oh, I'm going to enjoy it. All married men. Back to base. Married men are back to base. Single girl, that's okay. Married men back to base. You can have me, I'm with your bode. Here am I, Joa. That's okay with me, going on me. Here is so of Paladana, a wala this one. Why we married me while social media? And I do married me like where we correspond. Where yes sir. Where by this where which day, which one? Only my wo. What I do any gear. Why we agree? Why am I best in eternity? Why would you allow what? Hello. You have to comment in your answer. For London, they do the vaga bula. Oh God. Let peace reign. I agree, say I know wise. Excuse me. You know why I know wise? I know go school. Because I wish I wise. I for judging in your favor. But this I know wise. Now I'm foolish. Say me and your video. Anyone why my people? They don't insult Ebony. They are not insult Ebony. Mama, I don't know what is the apple. What is the apple Rita for here? Now, what we know we go talk. We enter inside us. No what they kind of give us we go talk. Now what they show me that they talk. You don't have to dig into people's privacy. You don't have to dig into people's life. It's only when it's brought to book you say it the way it is. If I want to call Sharon Okpamen, I have rights. I can get to her through somebody. If I want to call Ebony, I can still call her, or I can call a close part to her. Now, person you go know, we go know person now. Fine, Mama. They all have personal grief. That is well understood. Because Festina Peters was once a bestie with Ebony. Ebony, sorry to use this one. Ebony have one problem. I am telling you, my dear sister. Ebony and one me say. Awa kuko kiwedi wa mwe jasa me nanya. Emi ya dagun ya tin ya igo egbe o. Emi ya no wa me. Oya ago eku. Ebe eku ye so no se so wa. Ere wa o wa mi. Atuku wa idiot na amadane na kan le wo. Fe no wa ya mu ebe. Le le ra won isale re ni. O wa dai we no madam ebe. Ere Ebony wa ya dai. Ere wa ya mo se. Owa mu go egbe ya etin ya eni ya igbri. I was once like that. Ogan le ga mi kan le ya. O we man o ga ya me kian. Imele. Bet ni ya le. Esan we gbe fu ere. Egbe oko mi. Egbe ki oko mi. Opo no te si mo gba la dan we. Ya be. Yeah, blocking it. I'm telling you. No, what they did now the Manchester, yeah, they because I guess any Megan and so guinea rubbish. I better have You understand? So, Ebony, that is the problem you have with your friends. And Ebony, now one can't pass you again. More tell ourselves truth. God not will bless everybody equally. More tell ourselves truth. Do his girl, he pass each other. Yes, even if she have little, Ebony sabi exaggerate, carry body, say yes, not millions. Or when they roll me away. So no, I go say again. I will worry. Now, what problem on? It's just a nature. It's a character. So I don't know. okay, ma, I'll call you later. I will call you now myself. You understand me? So, the one where I know, where we they see for social media, Ebony and my beloved this girl, they call her Festina Peters, they were once friends. I believe the way they have lived, or maybe they do things together. Before problem wey second with I call this girl one fine girl make butter again she get breast. Is it not love it? Love it. You do picking bed that day, not your sato. The girl fine. That girl was a loyal girl to Ebony then. The one with the CEO. Before my boyfriend now the door, we dey hear everything. We know they talk. Him about shut up. Cause I'm a give my home. I don't be like give one neighbor cake be. You know say me na do attire now well. Or they wow or last social media. Before boyfriend then he oh my tell your girl ya sunu my peoples. Kere active na one mama say. When we got active na mama say you look out. We are again women a volume low ne. A volume more women or low ne. Alone. Because I got him when you go off my figure. Pala wo. Hey, take that back to my day while you come here for me. Messi, and the Messi Berani. Ah, Wabon, I see him. What's it bonny? As soon maybe one more program to a damage you. It will tell that bow to point to tack or we are going to metal damage with me. Before we take one apple, come happen. Now so we see how this one can't go, the other one can't go. And you know one thing about them, all of them get their gang. We not argue that one, just like as we did UK. So everybody not fit there one city. Everybody not fit there London. Everybody not fit there London. So some go Manchester, some go there Birmingham, some go there Nottingham, some Nottingham, whatever. Some go there Glasgow, some go there Liverpool, some go there Leicester, some go there Wolverhampton, some go there Ranley, Vicky and all that guy UK. Everybody go there. All of us not fit there London. You understand me? So that's the way it is. So you having your gang or you not having your gang, it's your choice. It's your choice. Yes, you were once friends. Something happened along the line. Okay. Well, Lizzie, no, shut up. Ebony thought to Lizzie easy. Okay, Rosemary Obaze is a good question. I really don't know anything about Izzy, but the little I know, remember Izzy and Sharon Okpamen are friends. They are friends. And if you forget, let me remind you, the time where something happened 2019, that time, this same Izzy pop out. So they have a fundamental problem that I don't know is to settle that their issue. Asaboro, go to Sandra Wo and see the video she did 4 days ago after Ebony gifted 200K online before you proceed. And all the 200,000 tana. Ebony Maka, you gonna sorry I will give you where we are here with them. Izzy, yaya gay, e only me tana. Where we that law. Ebony me guiji na way or where a musician do. Me not the bay. You know the band me can't take us. He want me away from a musician or bay or no, and they are from Edo State. And I believe they have beef. Thank you, Shine. You understand? That is the truth. That is the truth. We would have to tell her the truth. The truth is that anyhow they want to fight their fight. Okay, let them rest in peace. So far, mama lie. But dragging people's name, people that are trying to recover from a Kenya, they are trying to stand their ground again. They are trying to like social media not be small picking wahala. Okay, thank you, Igbinovia. Not be small picking Igbedu. It can make you become somebody. It can belittle you. It can drain you. It can damage you. If not be God, we stand by Esther. I can't wait. No, they will work it. If not be God, are we Miami now? So that alone is enough for you to just let bygones be bygones. Them desta, never do ya talo or marries or mona. Keka bien or umudin keka chudine Mavian nano. That is what I am trying to let you know. Are you getting it? May I call Mama? Wait, say may I call her first. Mona, hold on. You speak up, Mama. Let me call you. So maybe get waiting me no know where Mama want tell me. Mona, wait. Let's go there. Somebody need to know the truth. But it gets some truth where your booth. But ya go le Mama ya go Ebony. Winere. Go go me bo. So we should please let it be. Mama, it's where my phone. Hello, come, Mama. Come, Mama. Well, say to you, come, Mama. Come, Mama. Okay. 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 You got around you. What around? Eh, Betty, Mammy. You me, Mammy. Mammy, go on, Mammy. Mammy. No. Eh? Mammy. Oh, Mammy. Mammy, go on. Mammy. Betty, when in another bomb, me go on, Mama. O matter vene buena. I may want to approve any logo, Mama. Only a power problem on you. Hello. Okay, the bill like UK now. What's on? He matter the big grant visa. What's here? Any man say, here we personal person we yakin. But then also the only man say na yak be. Already. Yeah. Yeah. Me better. Mama, a blood fini on the terminus. Dingy. We understand. Is me with him. Yet it be Ebony. Or turn, no see me Ebony, or sick a maybe. He told him, Mama. I don't want to say. Okay, Mama. Mama, 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 here go mother. Here what with Ebony. I agree. Or in between man now. I have nothing between Ebony before God and man. But no one see Ebony or we jet gon. May I say he may don't understand me. But e matter o ke no matter me. E no di me wo. E de marry say me ma bele mu ta na. He married because he married Manchester United. Yeah. E de nite mu ja ko e. De nite mu ja ko. A me ni hiwo. I know. Okay, send that. Okay. Send the picture though. Mama, imagine. Imagine, mama, understand. And when we date ne marry sika mujo, ina marry somebody we love you know. E date ni aka mujo, ina change. So I have to go to work. And then the gbe mujo, it might meet up. Oh, mama, I can't lie in there, man. I rest my case. My grandmother don't come. Are you going, you know? What now? Mama, visa, I go marry. Mama, visa. Oh. Yeah, they are not any I want. Yeah, I the way granted. Oh, when I was being on there, I I'm driving you are. I'm driving you. Because the money is driving on the ramp. I'm going to my panel. Ani aka so not to send Ebony Izzy. Elia, oh yeah when where do you me give me na we ma so. Yeah when. E marry somebody we mo no. Yeah when. O to Ebony e party me no. Mari la ene wo kon pa. Mari maro ne. So okay. Okay. Mama, no soon. You are time you will work. Yeah, well. Mudawe. Well. We are go well not back one because I mean you by be man. Understand we. Any be at all where I at all. Because we are the taller you are dragging other people into your wall. Wow. I bet you don't like Pamela. Mama, you go one more. You want my friend, I don't know. I go with tattoo boy. When me back on here, it be on the car. I am. Look, by all here, I go over the time of your Maria Macrifo came in. Yet to be a tie. I go in one time more when I swear on your foot. I don't got baby cool. No, man, I go masse. We want not be say should bend my mouth fly. Wait, so it's so tiny. On your foot. But she's just still there on her own. Egbano wafo. They not give me the remake. If I respect her, we elgin ewe with that bow. Mema siene. But when I go gouge, go, mama. Go meta matamara. When I go gouge ba, I go guana ye mio. When me buna ya ta woke. Or yeti wa hose ya. But imagine mama mudiane eti ma debate no nana o eti wa hose ya o wa ko chi etu ayo ekenori eto siva and do gere ya mi o ten opopo mo before ri meje we boni emi awa ume e wa vie wa balegbe wa gogo ire balegbe na gba efe wa fi weri e ta kiri mata iyan wi mote ya ebe ibalone gba mi tele na me na woke ya change me na idokin sadra we are women we are rewe better can be sisi wa you know sunu mommy me have to wear okay down your way. Oh, me, I was going on so me dead back to where. When you are now, say no problem. Oh, now, Brazil, Mama, Tony, Jimmy, with him, and I done it over. I just told you what. Get go, Mama, go. Yeah, yes, only one. Let's go to about the matter, because that's the way we go. I'm getting calm. What's so? Welcome. I thought me my body Africa. I'm on me wa. Mommy, polemica. Mama, that's a polemica. Amen. Mary Saga. Mary Saga. Mary Saga. I was talking away. Say after you know by some back this one. Hey, you can win. Mary Visa. Another people agree to drink mama. Mama damn it all. Mama was damn it all. Where we give me one? Give me one, mama. Ogun man say been go mama. Am I hold back to do blame you. But what I'm trying to say, I'm not money you are. Tell you my brother. If I don't bear where Mula Wamunia be my other. It was your mama, you woman, or Nigeria blessing Aloha. Or Bella for Mamma, they both get there the same day. Oh, we're acting all the mother gone. December 25, or maybe. So, all about it of Bear Marriage or Moji. Every mental way, or where I'm not there or pregnant. The man that's trying to name. Ebony, oh, Baba. I got to Mama Muzane, I got to buy me, Mama. If I look like I tell you no magba, it do attack Mama cognac, Bemon, Yana, maybe I may. Oh, when my ever were telling we have a Gwen with Picture. Oh, man, I don't tell social media. Tassin. I also want time, Mama, no, I think where my man go. Also, my time, maybe no, Madison, the meadow attack, telling me bear, and I feel a quack. And so, what are we not saying? Now, may they leave that girl out of this mess, eh? Oh, my problem is after way, but my volume, my loss. That's not you. And why you never boy and I will. I because 1 against 20. My mother can't be you. I have been on by now. All we are doing here. Who they have been on by because he ain't deal with two words direct. I'm not sick of when I deal with. If there's a answer when you go over, my people, sorry for keeping you waiting. Where we did last time before I come. I don't tire. You don't want tired, pretty. Tell me what I Kid or you can move on. I come in peace. Let me be serious for once. I come in peace. My beloved Ebony Obasoyo, I don't hate you. I don't. Even if we are not friends, we are not close par, at least a member of your family is my paddy. That is enough reason for me to say, okay, but I have to tell you the truth. Yes. Even if Imalego done anywhere, I beg you. That innocent baby coming to this world, who will consider, Even if Umalego, lady of songs, you so desire, that is your musician, who will get away to, Because these people, don't really have to know it. I can't go one. Say, I did okay when we for example. I did okay very on I don't get Bala, Vatakwe. A boy from their own view, Jeverio, or Jayasi me a woman. Why go to say, as this industry big rich? So anybody not con the rest people know they sing. Now, Mangolo that they play. So somebody is referring me to Sandra's page to go and watch her video of a few days ago. I will go and watch. Let me come and pick this call. Hello? You got an egg? I thought there. We have a me for it now. Et la vidéo là, vous regardez. Oh my God, c'est ouais. Demain. Il doit boire de. Ouais, quoi. You get it? If you don't get it, what do you have to do? Stop eating your live video. What go me? You know come yari yo eh. You know come yari there here. You can't tell why you met a boom man. The hint was for me ba. Idiot. You don't them malo to one to me o koni je me u. Na do we he attack me social media ga gbe ye. E gbe ohun. Come ika ene. We mara le me ya ngu pa. Ka me paracetamol ne. Etin ya meme. Agege meme. Etin. What fi what your meme record like have a tokunwe. No ya koketino. Arewa my personal person. Ka ene o. When it come to Jesus, I know they use and play. Bobani just so no give one. Bobani baba. Call, I use God beg you. Cut your call. I use my last fat. I beg you. Oh God. No. Everybody now, shed drag. Forget that thing. Not until person marry. Everybody now, get close to people. Know how they think they. Forget that thing. All of us the package. Imema. Say yeah. You know, Jima ve God does it. Jesus, we are the nanya. If we talkative. Ite dore wan ake we nu we na tata lo yan. We me na ka we social media la akin awudo gagwe. We ma kan tata lo social media bun aye yo gan meta lo la akin awudo. People like hang and dangerous because she act like, oh, your comment don't job. The only thing that makes me to like Sandra, she did take correction. I never thought to her once. Your sister Ebony will date 4 people. You never marry and I get her to date. You don't say don't marry, they push one for them. You know, add your sister and your husband. Oh, Gwawa le jone mi fi war front. On a me malaki waji o. Amwe go waga ko takere Venus. Boko emena attack attacking. Even na me ya ribota. Why do we me no dota? Why do we man amwe mo ere? Oye ba ba mi nere ti. E bol wa ya kwa me. Wa problem why? Amwe ko le tele ma wa. Akoku wa. Iwe akori emere wa ge ko ta wa give away oge no e foye ma wa moto ye boko ma wa o etie na yi Jesus se me o do Gloria husband drive Gloria Gloria oh God. No. Need to hear this caller. I don't know, sir. I'm not drunk. I can't down. I'll be one. Now, one person called that and say, load the volume. God go bless that person. Dangerous and una carry her name go native to go. And a power la ho in my belly comment now. Ebony to the call immediately. Jesus, have you where give me which school you go? Major school. Where say school? I see my major school. Where are you at time major school? Laho. Having nothing now. Jesus. How can a celebrity carry belly without husband? My person, senior, I carry belly. Then I carry belly without husband. Oh, what done in a vetani? Well, lava without picking. Where I no carry belly, master. I carry belly, UK now. So for beyond we. Don't even stand by Mudiakwe, Ukmo do. Dog pana with me. Eba great Talogoma. Sonny, for no well. You can imagine and me not beg me ya for nena. You leave that thing. Woman be stable. Or let's do work a European way. A pale where are they? Okay, me home. No, I will be able to Sonia. Oh, Asaboro, you marry ask again. They don't buy me time. Oh, you may marry what you are here. Say me. You may marry. I can't go there, but I don't matter. Wait a minute, but that be juju be that. That be juju be that. I'm gonna be one key that. Don't need to be buana. Comment. One thing I love about social media, I say, don't forget the insult where they follow. The matter get as he be. He get as he be my 10 years friend. The reason I not dey insult my commenters, whether fake account or real account, may I tell una the truth. Now una be social media. Now una know wetin they no even know about themselves. Oga mahin. Hey, baba le baba. Oga no. Mane managbon. Oh, say where? Elo ma give my real account time. My fake account do it tell you where. Who wa must to beg? Who I don't even waka beg when they comment here. Ata fake account o sere be gba iro ye na ma la ke gbe re o ata fake account o tu no do le social media yi ata fake account e ma ni bege mi no ra won o po mo wa hin ala enevo la ka uwa no wa yo ta no ma jo wa de fake account oye Omanagbon. Omanagbon adazewa hin. First thing I carry my go her mother say, "Oh, come here." Oh God. I see there you. No, we dey read the comment because nene tell answer ne Rita say, "Thanks, love." Yeah. I have been greeting you since no response. Why? Oh, sorry, I was on phone. I not see her, not verse. Now so faith, Sunday still they follow me, they call now. Go to Ebony waiting. That person should write again. Gloria is not ashamed. They hate themselves. They hate themselves. Sandra can only oh, when you want jump. Yes, sir. Jesus love you. Sometimes, if I just like, I want social media, no, any so, but already down, already down. Your comment sometimes, sometimes, always and all the time, if they brighten somebody up, I look like no man on work by your, or one in my country, but lose it. No, why you drive me at us? Oh, Garala, what are you doing there? I just don't know why I find myself there. Who got me? I just pray. Most of the Edo actors just they carry. I be my brother. I'm making no sales one be. Wait a minute. First thing, we not get today, go get tomorrow. May I tell you, they don't they build house on that one day. Most of us they abroad. We not even get 50 by 100. Many day. But you know me say they not go get. Oto efo vedo. Or for edo adoye no reko. Oto efo ten edo ran okian. Are you getting it? So no use that laugh person barak. Owe no ge gane o wagiega e. No ge mavega fe koga siere jo. Eri me bo ne ge gave dokpa. You get it? So, if it be say she not get according to your write-up, but God go still bless her with more way get, so automatically she don't get. You getting it? So, has not be really priority like that. Oh, mama, me bo wa isa do yaro bo. No cabo, or be old mode. Anokabo, wa old modobo. So no marry bo almost obo. Everybody get you. No, we got here a plan. We got here a plan. That's for Barak. I hope say Ebony no con UK con do red light work. I wish I would. No. Very far from that. No. Red light they UK. I don't know. Effetti volo bene. Anch'io grazie mille un bacino. Profeta Titi no pia wa talk pe wa to amose wa win oni efen daddy e dun ne ku no rame o pe ane la domosa oni ipesi opa no rugbo oni ogbugbo ka bere wa talk pe ijo Prince Omoruyi efe wa gbe be na ima be wona o ya mo ko na emme me ati ona aladian o emi ya na omi onu tie. What's that? Okay. I want to know, say, looking now. I been as you. Now, my mother said I should be one carry. Oh, love Fiona. Oh, God. Una comment, your caller say now. A caller ma Tony by or ma Tony. I not your body. Or ma Tony, oh. This one strong, oh. Hey. Wait, I want to answer this comment or something. Especially fake account. Una you dey boss my head. Una dey help me. Abi okonoro areba. Wa make have information of your thing. Fake account. Una dey help me now. Una dey help me. Ya hang here. Imane iri enwe bia ibana. You know what? Tell me back. Well, with that they don't know. You they laugh for don't get frustrating. And so well, since you say that you can make money one more. They say don't say na I already made that. Man, I tell you one thing for this life. But I want to ask una commenters so. Most of una really know something, at least little. The Igbo man say in any allegation there is an element of truth. If una really know so much for inside, why una know the gear? Why I come and hold on when that there? I know they take bullet for anybody's sake. And when I have my video, on me, neteno, or more one no, or do I come move you no, or more move. If you vai no nana, but my life is me and little if you so I have a bullet if you year ago. If you they say then he person go carry belle twice, no marriage. It dey happen. Person they born 3 times, leave husband house. It dey. The caller conversation is on air. Really? Izzy, I know I made this one day on air. He can't see a cotton. He was me, I no need. I know I made it there on air. Phew. Oh, Kotori go. Baby, you're not in. Baby, you're not in. Hey, amen. What a something. What kind of thing is that? So the caller conversation is on air. Are you for it? Tell me now, truth. Tell me what he talk. Aro bosere kokoni. I want to see your comment. No, Jolly Iyobo Ekato. I beg. I want may you write one thing with the caller talk. I go no say really there. He Jimmy. I see a gomoda mo well at. I will see now. Mrs. Muse, I believe you. I don't fear. Who's looking? Where did we want? This person will use Chinese to do in a gatti gagman. I got my auto. I better go. Johnny Mason or no fake account where as well like Chinyaku. Really? I don't know. I just the yes so say she fake carry belly. Bege, Aruwe battlefield. Oma mi salopane ki Aruwe battlefield. Say bellissima ti voglio bene. Bege na jenanya. Na eja me, no be juju be this fake account. No be juju be this. Fake account, you have married account. He go lado. Fake account, toasty real account. Commenting, not they forget something. Commenters. Oh, guy, yeah, mommy, commenters. Engineer Zolakon, terrible person, terrible person. Oh, engineer Zolakon. For this life, if you dey move with friends and you dey progress, your friends go say you dey do juju. Make the friends go do juju men for everywhere. Prophet for everywhere. Na so. Owe, omonari wona. Magyobo mi si gbobo nenya o. Okpago webo hi o. Iwe mi egbe mi ko riro o. Iruwe wo nanyi o. Eho. Eke no magele no o. Ono na igegbo e o. Na so. If your friend they do juju in function, may you still do. If you not take you go to juju man, may you still locate another juju man. May you still the function for your side. Na so it be o. If na pastor that way lobe. If na hard work, we buku work ba. Na so. So you know see the he give me love if you own it's your way na here. Sandra they pretend say she pass Ebony because Ebony they shake her big nation social media. Basu in ma basu in working. Emena danu wesi. When I roll in Messi. Smithy. Where Jojani Messi. Smithy me akenuje when I start in Umujayi. The people where not let me get peace for your sister. Shedrack, Barak, and Smith Obasui. Memenu those two people are friends. But I'm here with them. I'm gonna go change down it, but you guys are my friend though. Without you, you know, see the sweet sis. Have nothing no champagne laugh even that put to now. I want to buy a woman here with dog walk banana. I say go more than this they can't give it. Ijo, no be juju be that. I will check Sandra's video. Omoruyi and Omoruyi. I will go and check it. Let me just check. I want to see. How many days ago? People have been recommending me to that video. Let's see that video, isn't it? Let us see the video. What was on that video? So many recommendment has been like, go and watch that video. Go and watch that video. Facebook, I not get right to this one on Atafi. I want to look out. I don't drop in a video. Okay, Sandra. Let's move. We move. We get work. My be Sandra. Me in your person. I have function. Better my way. I know my say. Sandra Agbo go good. Mo look out. Facebook Agbo. Imanya Tafiaje. Love you son. How many days ago? 6 hours ago. HBD boss. December 24. Now you doing? When did she do the video? When did she do the video? I bet when you do the video. Man, look at me on this one.
Okay. It's all right. So, Merry Christmas to all.
Now, don't you for wear that shirt?
Family all over the world. Merry Christmas.
Shambel, are you replying to somebody or you are talking to me? I need to know so I know what to tell you.
Merry Christmas. Are
you replying to me or to somebody? Shambella.
For love and to come congratulate you now. All of us say gather enter this Christmas. Yes, today now, December 25th. Yes.
Now this video.
For 2021 now.
Facebook. Wala. Why don't you not my video?
Yes, now. What my half man now?
Okay, 24th. Okay.
So get
Now they look so.
Because of my Izzy.
I'm not gonna look at.
My Izzy, Iselogbe to my people.
You want to see me where? I not be dwarf. Oh, working. Not be say shoe bed, mama fly.
Appreciate you guys.
This is me.
And I want to say happy in advance because all of us go enter.
See me.
You know, as our eyes see to
you see me?
We go see the end.
If you want to see me, if you want to see my picture, go to congratulate. I be dwarf. I know the way I should occasionally I be block. Now flat shoe I be. And I'm so natural.
Less than a week.
I know there so you may say go to now you baby that they win. Why come pajama me ya we live video we me. Ya get
so maybe we just are you there? Are you there? Merry Christmas.
I want look the video when I say me we look. What did he do for the video? Man, see what that. What a bad thing are your baby?
This Christmas rugged though.
What did she talk for the video? This person is really annoying me with call. I swear down. In real live video. You call person calls. I don't say the person busy.
Introducing an all-time.
What did she talk for the video?
Get over 50% discount.
Good evening. I bet make una hook easy with Umenwe. Make a. If Umenwe call for you, you wait for now. You wait for now. Which one be that one now? Okay, what you can
yes, so this live video now just to appreciate you now, just to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Now just to go on and say I appreciate you now so much, like so far so good. When I do well, if I wish me able to do this, I'm not sure say I for do okay because I don't know what I want to tell you now. Like I they happy the one that they receive me. Like what my name of Bokan, I want to le neku. What my hagi to negbe, or why am Bokan one movie one, or why am mume. It meant the hate am one why I understand. A quick year way at a woman one like. You guys are so much like I appreciate. Thank you guys, all my fans. Anywhere when I did for this world, all my fans. I want to come and say thank you. I really do appreciate you guys. Like
this is the video you guys are talking about now.
Thank you. Now,
if I show her now, maybe not go drop my video. It's against the rule of the community.
Support me. They break everywhere, boss. I don't know as it happen. I don't know the way God take come.
She's just appreciating everybody now.
So not be me. I'm not only me not fit do you know, because of now I say they carry go and they push on like thank you now.
Be great again. Thank you.
You say the blessed person. So God use you now to lift me up. Thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. I want to come and say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance.
We celebrate
2022 together in the mighty name of Jesus.
Now the 24th video at the place so.
God, they ask question before they bless you. You get where God for good take the
just tired for looking. So looking, go and check me out. With or without makeup.
President, okay now. Get leader.
Be big fish or forget that.
For life better us. Baba tell me you need go any. Ever no fear to say. Thank God say God not they go anywhere. Go they ask question before he bless you. You know they look say you're not fine. You know they look anything. You know they look that way people they even they look safe. God, you get the way God take day. Thank God say God.
Okay, she have deleted the video. Because all of my phone we already got. And drama me we ne we ta cause we ya. Fana bomma wa ya maji. O me mani we sili mi o ye mu. Talo. Don't finish now. Go and load the video. The video we give them. What he talk igbejo. Iyan what delete any. If you don't delete any me Martin. 4 days ago now, on the 24th of December, and 29, 28, 27, 26, 25th. Okay, 25th. Commenters were remember Ige. But what for me, I steady abwa. Igige. No look anymore. No more look. Fucking. Asaboro, how many years you did by now? Any years you give me, I go take. You hear me so? Any years you give me, I go take. So, what's the big deal? What the age get to do with this one? So, age and sense not the same. Woman na kaya sa when I want some when I am in The video is still there. Hey, Jimmy. One act, babe. I am biased. In what way? What is the boy on me? I take bias now. Oh, why do I offend the name with that? When my man going to be control woman. I'm not biased. We biased, you know. Then I will tell what I do. I will do you, then I will say when I do back here, you banner. Why say you but then I will tell what I hold, you know. O kwame, o kwo Italian, me Ebony him. E wa ya ro yo yan. I not see how. He got on that page where for doing. I been at TikTok for doing. May 32. That means I'm good. That's kudos to me. You know, bad. I'm really keeping myself good. You know, bad. I love that age where you give me. I not see let's go along. Asaboro, you get boyfriend because I want to hook you up with the great semi-one husband. Oh my God! Oh, Sharon, get why do you bring me for Yakutana? I call why you from. So that's okay. I the Friday sinane ba. Oh, that's okay. The Friday sinane. But your coach has taken you from when ba. I propose have the video. Okay. Let's move. Man, winner. What get follow up? Married bina manana. Married table. No, I might go te social media. Married man the street ya. Yes, TikTok. Man, I like TikTok. Ye vake kae. Esono. Is that here? O manore France. No more na ya we. Laho. Emi oma agwe agbe social media na. Koto power love. And the social media no every day any new thing alaja. Near ya see on fieti. You know what doing any corner. Me just dollar. O kono already na me say to e for me ya teta ya photo. Yeah. Now go look for a proco. Yeah. O whatever we making with TikTok. I why whatever you lie. I go nowhere. A proco ya wu we me one.
Hey people, hey guys.
Hey
guys. Is some light in Glasgow?
Mothers in Germany. You know hey okay, Ebony kagbeni ala dia. Izzy, Omoruyi, Sharon, Okpamen, Classic, Gloria, Peter, forgive you all my juniors for some important personality's sake. Okay, Ebony, we have when 2 hours ago, me maka go now. Where he told about that I me die. 2 hours ago, we are Ebony, where at Izzy, Omoruyi, Sharon, Okpamen, Classic, Gloria, Peter, Izzy, sorry if I'm not pronouncing it well. I may be nigga how can it yes if it were what away. Okay, man, school. Izzy, forgive you all my juniors for some important personality's sake. I don't know when okay who done one who don't want with me. I don't want man who de marry man. I don't do one with you. There you. Yeah, is a young man is Ibolo. Let's Bego na bo onana. I can't do. I'm going to go with one. He made the video. Okay, I don't see. If your name is Omoruyi, that year 2022. This one at 10 hours ago.
Let body they cash you. Not going to invest, oh. Not going to invest.
Oh, it's not just your quo. Big nyash and spend money on you, my. Omoyeme will get big nyash. Sandy baby. Sandy baby. Ay, man, me latte. Wala not too much. Wala be like dirty game. This their problem na politics. So it be like Obaze and they call that man for America. It be like Saga cow Saga. That's your quo. That's your quo. But when I met that. Okay, Ebony can have a big. The love will take me to your for my life. I even I got something. That should be 2018. What December now we are now? If you saw this soon, if I saw this Jacob Bar, any Jacob Barre, up Banafia, may also be a blessing. Manada our video wowa. Oh, Quagano. Away for what? They cannot use me to do caricature. Ebony may say that in a colleague here. Why do you have a caricature at all? Okay. Now you have problem for a rose. On a way bet na comedian. Ebony na we young we comedy. Oh, okoni wewe nuture. Eri tulelwe. Smith, I beg. I don't want to call it. This one, I don't pass my limit where I feel beer. Smith. What I fit take, I go take him. What I not fit take, it be very. I beg. I just go beg you. You know, say play this person video, not be my property. They can drop my video for it. Do you know that? I have no copyright to it. Yes, she can report. They will drop my video for me, or they will give me strike. They will suspend me for days. That's the truth. So, in a sense, they do something. You don't feel looking for a proco. It be me save now. The one where I hear rich. You don't pay for. They not going win and ever. Me ma catalog lesson.
So you told Mama.
It's the truth now. Okay. I don't hear you. Sorry. You understand? You not call like oh. Onye na waya bona enana. Then he call. Onye na jabu. Yeah, I know caricature. Agua for what? Babetina, on a series of any. Abe, mess of any. Oh, where do you know I started? Do you know where I started? Where the where? Iriana Jia, Egbe Balingagbe. You guys will come with no yaswe. Where the way? I bet it doesn't matter if you forgive them. But you might be in hell of us, Bill. It be me bail on my yaswe now. Facebook, I have no copyright.
Now we want to know get money. They do what your mate they do. They buy you my hair, yeah? Go they spend money, go do yash, yeah? Go do breast. Not save your money. For 50 years. I will see where you work at that yash go. I will see where you work at that breast go. Let money they cash you. For 50 years. Now we want to know get money. That concept you go don't tire. That's the way you put my son, you go don't tire you. Everywhere don't weak. Let money they cash you. No invest your money. From 50 years, we go no get money. Mom, get bamboo where more
yeah, boy, nana.
Get bamboo where. Get bamboo where.
You are
born.
born.
Look your mates and live your life.
While I be like waiting again, mon arata for you. While I be like bicycle. Immediately they say it don't finish. He always they go. My sister Irema. On my phone to her. He carry la bono. He Omoruyi or Tao. Wait to this is the reason I dropped all my posts. Meanwhile, my attention was drawn to this post made by that she mentioned my name on her useless page that has no view or comment. Well, you know I have view on my palm. Don't push me. Big auntie, I beg, avoid me this 2022. I beg you in the name of God, because now you make me know now say people enjoy the little fame I just gave you and be a better person. Can't allow this year end without appreciating my friends that have made my year so memorable, especially my UK family. God bless you all. Please listen to the song, share and subscribe my channel. Waiting they happen. You and please take down the post. He aproko one don't he? Where vie ya na take it down. Make we saga wa set. Me kapele dia eka. Ize ni me yo shaki me kedi. Gaproko. I don't see how.
She's saying that if my song does not come out tomorrow by 10 a.m., we are done. She will never call me again. When I call her, she won't pick and all that. Excuse me.
Well, I be like waiting again.
And I decide when I will release it. So.
Why we here na ya nani? Oh, me malaki iteveni do de gbedo azuo. Why am I azuo? Malaki gbe yo. But all the same, we Sandra Ebony we vema. Why are you making on no man gbe vema? Wevema. Imenu wevema no de managuwa. One get there with Sandra for us. Get big nyash. Comment our severe. In fact, why let me be? Why let me be? Why did I confuse me? No ask Sandra for this matter, and now you understand how this matter takes start, oh mama. No talk like that, Sandra. No. Uselu, where they were? Sandra and Ebony they fight for one boyfriend. Babeti, no. We are one woman. Oh God. I'm tired, my son. So if you see who get big nyashi kebe, you not go know. Sorry you. Oh, why let's let peace me. What can I do? Where gear? It's stressing no. Where gear? Where laugh over it? Where kill stress? The main stress is a depression. La how my girl.
Look at this. This is how you do it.
Now, but anyway, they are all actress and they are comedian. I think the way just they got what Ebony saying now only she and her bestie they celebrity for. Their problem he always get root, and we cannot get to the tap root of the issue. Now let them they know their source, so them themselves can sort out their problem. Asaboro, I go hook you up tomorrow with that titi. Okay, there we are.
Because that's wrong. Because
I need to take a cheapie.
it's all like
Who's the looking Atiti na a person. Not for yes, Atiti don't fair marry. Atiti is my bestie. He's my very good friend. Titi na my friend from afar. We don't talk, but he's my friend. Since we take go our show. Which of that thing you want to again? We want to go on a judge over there. Over me comment you, oh man, I'm all gualo. May not be sure you are. Or birthday.
Are you trying to do this one?
Or birthday. Who fair marry where you know who divorcee no remarry? Must remarry. Single mother forgiving single mother belle for Europe. Baba, commenters you guys are not sharing the video. Why you get Benua? She no one understand. The video not even relate to what thing they happen. So, Egbe woman, me maya kenere lala ni me ya dole me. Egbe woman, every no say. Egbe woman, me ya dole me guafio. O, kita mo mi ame no ge. O come chante o sasi waya hin o me bona ni me ke tasi we ma ehun la wa se me o ko me wa gwa lo wa abu won e mo se zo no roto na wa se me ni mi eta la ho ye ye nwa te beta kiri ra egwe bi kare ma we dey na if ni tele we boni nu wi ma because why what you woman apart from lady or someone very hero automatically the lady or some green is the married city because those are the people that can get to your bones since anyway who were viral in social media here where I have for I here where 2 for 2 I for backyard here if you beat me I go beat you near you here Rita said then why you have ban mama de here you must understand all zeba. Can you get me tissue, please? You ever lying with there?
Tissue?
Yes, darling. Sandra, I love you so much, my darling. I love us. I love all of them all. Believe me. Some might think you were again. I will worry. You'll take a side. I don't take side. I don't take side. Also, I didn't have bribe Obama. Cause why you could then and what? Yes, was. Why you call the Obama? I'm coming, my block at Why you call the one thing about bribing and corruption, especially this media? If anybody want bless you, okay. But I say, in fact, some of their blessing, no. Do it outside media. They feel not do and say, okay. They know we no mark, but I want to do correct. I tell you, while we advance. I tell you, the old water answer, no. Also, while we're saying, hey, come on, Tamebu, even at instantly now, then. Even at that, then I do women jama. You can't make moment, that is me for you. Also, we're saying a full woman. We're saying a full woman. I'm telling you, if you know me, if you are close to me, you will know. You understand? So, it's easy a singer. Easy sing one. Easy sing one. No, she's not a singer. I don't remember Mora again. The matter. Nah, it's not. Oh God. See, what did they happen me for years? Yeah. You know, let's bow down to reality. We don't still play. Let's face facts. The whole thing is being messed up or messed up somewhere. In as much as they got beef before, any little thing an oppositor say, the other person might pick offense because they are living on assumption. Rosemary, no, but fighting for the rest people that. God bless you. I'm fighting for the rest people Ebony is referring to. I'm not just picking on one person. Are you getting it? The issue is that in as much as the way Ezorotone, Kwemene Gerotone, or Aseke, on our one women of you begging, unable to assumption. You are living on assumption. So the other person will want to retaliate. Oh, well, baby. That is where I came in, like Ebony. No. Allow some things to lie low for some certain reasons. In as much as your name is not Omoyeme, we know you as Ebony, and your native name that I know is not even Omoyeme. So let it be. Fear you, Maho. As far as Omaredo time, wow. Okay, let's say she was Emoita. For example, as people think or as people has been saying, we go back to that video. Go back to that video. Really, I've went there. Are you getting it? So let's be realistic. Let's tell ourselves the truth. So thank God for that post I saw 2 hours ago in Aproko's page. You understand? That post said she had forgiven or she have let go of the issue. Ebi me bere so me hin is you kakanjo. La ho wa mo were nata. Me were kia na egwe wono na. Hey, ona you have him war front. People have their lovers though. You love people for different things. Okay, Sandra video was done 2 days ago. Wasabe do celebia were atalo kwasi ya garene. Me wene wo. Me wene ni ya ewe. Atalofo iro la ya kat. Me monetize. He go asili ni ojila o. Oh God. Who say look give you who we me can me one. May I tell you about myself? Huh? Likewise, Izzy is not a musician. Why did she start the saga? Izzy is the big problem. Oh God, comment that. But I want to look all this video. Me no way social media. Me boy are here very oh. To God. Eti batana base na ya. You not call result for 24 bits. I did now. Why not call result raw where? I call result in the morning now. Go and watch my video I did in the morning. Thank God I not dropped that video. I almost dropped it today, but thank God. Now London we. I be Tony, we marry here. Eh, ke mo pa hon. Now London carry first oh. Ah. May I tell you, London carry first for that show. So Manchester and Birmingham, we not gonna carry second. We can't wait for the result, but some say na Manchester, some say na Birmingham. But now they say Birmingham hold big pass Manchester. So all the same, now we can carry the result go next show. Asaboro, tell me if I don't first do a thing again. Eh? Okpa. Comment Okpa o. Wawa agwani me ati owa. Ewa me here ati ati. Asaboro tell you if you don't first do a thing say lu where you ka una ni. And they call my people. Hey, okay, may I tell Uselu say I need 1 million to do shopping. Uselu Uselu no le fake account. Yeah, Uselu ya no 1 million ba. Oh yeah, Uwelu boy akiobe. You dey wait. What do you dey wait for Uselu King? If you don't, what do they wait for? So mad is just the car on that bed. Oh, come hey Jimmy. So for you see me say I carry belle tomorrow, no go how we me on say. If I don't say get belle tomorrow, una know you love anybody at all. He say he want give me to a party. A party not be human being. Not be human being. Party na fine man, Ebony black. No see her. He made la white for chest. No see her. He thick. If he stand, make it bah. They know they ask say who be that? Who your husband? Yes now. If he marry a woman of his choice, that woman will come caution finish. You know they perfect. Tell her say, give me gualo. Gena yawe. Now so. Who is perfect finish for? Always bani me for whatever. Ebony don't make them drag marriage leg combat. I tell you berane semi do fall in love Asaboro. Semi don't fall. Have a semi wanna visa that. If visa that, oh, I need to read this comment. Mama comment to. Mama comment to what in for? Oh, okay. Visa that even market are getting anyhow is what Edo local celebrities are killing themselves for. A visa logo market women get anyhow, mama. Logo ya. Wa logo. I only logo mama. Visa logo. Oh my easy. A visa my easy. I be bother with temata. It's not easy. But in as much as they get it, they should make use of it well. The government not in here begging. Asaboro na titi be semi o. When we can say, why it be sis? I give let the video go viral. Why for no money? I bet more tell me my name. Wait till now they call me for another platform 1 year. No, I don't want another person just again. More call just about myself now. No be we but no be with I need here. We ga need Asaboro. Oh yeah, I want to see you know Asaboro. Which market? Takes about a month. Okay, it don't do. My baby Ebony we Sandra we you to SN. Maru we wa muyoto. Don't go na we wa. Go go na we wa yen wa gbe ni wa we. More talk about me. I bet Uselu King. What if they call me for another platform? Becky Omo. My close one eye. I say I don't see your comments. Right or not that one I answer you. So now about the business they all this boy so oh come me love Fiona. Asaboro where you for come for Benin? Oh visa is very easy but because they are not working legit, they are doing wrong things. No mama visa ma wa very very well your name awa. Eme so ni do ye skuma. Owe estime oh that's Oyo testament not doing whatever a student. You go no re abi ori on ele. E UK na. Yes kuna ka wa pay. E mani ma gba wi na biere egwe 7 days no pa waro ko we ro la wota ko we ogwe mama wan pay school fees nene mi iwe mata. E visa bona easy. Ma easy o. Ma easy o e ogo ni we de ta. Ojo be UK na no. Ne hi me gi hon ne na. Ni me gi hen ne na. My you came no dinya se be era gbon kemi de iyan kin nu wa me go we ni ona me million la ho asifen agbe ya bana mi so iyo bonu o wa me e unwe nene mi no ya kin mo me so get maybe where if you get nene million for your go there you give one does anything me no be say should bed mama fly o ru one does anything me where la o nene wani ni vi an de ni baya mi o we cancel okpa we do no baji e pa egwe mana we ma sunu ye ni we but I'm saying it mama if you doubt me I'll screenshot the picture call for you mete owe la ho I have spent all my money on Malaysia whatever la wo ile pa me na wa me we da no bona mo there amazing if you want visa meet the right person I made the right person we do left the army I'm a rat titi ma be oh god Becky Omo akian you say you a committee we Asaboro is from Upper Sakmoba Road trip only me know why waiting una they call me for another platform. Let me ask una because for that they give everybody name now. Which name una they give me for another platform? Okay, God forbid bad tonight, then I will go here and jama. What you now call me? How una take fight for me? How una take fight my fight? Una carry sense, Jonah. Abu na you say bewa. Make them bring money visa day. Now look what you want give them. 50% of the people where they no green go back. One shop money once he forget the shop. They want and they call you big eye. Okay, big eye you they call me. Thank you. That one good. That one a truth now. You don't see my eyeballs as a big. That one a truth. Okay, you they call me Anek woman. God bless you. That one a truth now. Your name for another platform is no saga, no live video. Okay, you own a visa before payment. Oh, looking where here ah. Okay, mommy Rosemary, you they call me Oputit. That one I see truth now. Oputit did there. Okay, no, what it is, my person. Play lady. Okay, gracious, you they call me play lady. All this one sweet now because I dare and they write all this one. The one you all really thought say this girl. Sometimes yeah, not correct. Sometimes they use play till they saw person. Sometimes that wicked the one they write where they change presenter mood. Mona writer. The presenter not control itself. I was second. What change the topic? Table your tongue. Brika. Emi ya was second. Mona write that one. Would they call you a titi wife for that side? Titi Anjamen when prophet Titi the new generation. No, she never delete the video. I just watch and I don't see the video. Yeah. Yeah, Anjamen Titi no. If your eyes not big, not put body. Even if my eye big, I not put body. Oh, saga you. Oh, you name when I commit 12. Ever smiley presenter. Yo, I like that one. One person don't give me one name, singing presenter. I like that name. I don't know they call me that name. Then you see one who was say, why money jo? Why I me the yo. Oh, can never get name for now. If like this your own truth. No, but at least I still get good one for now. Now when you go call seke or telequele, salo boy kweke segeni. You just want me I woman no ma. So that because we women work my women won't die and you can work my. So guy is a very terrible thing, man. What even? Saga libai wayo anek iwo. I know they do wayo now. Me wayo anek. You they call me traditional girl. That's my name. Who be this person? Abies pretty favor. Thank you. She wear black breast tube shirt. Who be that one? That is a black breast tube. Okay, I don't look and sing for me now. If I go continue to they call you the name. I like you too. Say looking. I know since when there's a long way. We still got sing for you now. Okay, may I sing? May we still rest. May I sing that one where Beckley's okay they sing. It go say may I remember this in national anthem. Ihiagbeni yo wa o agayogo me go reta yo wa o o Facebook me Ihiagbeni yo wa o ewo me agayogo me go reta yo wa o edo you run from Saga 440 Ihiagbeni yo wa ibo tu me o agayogo me go reta yo wa o Iviedo. That one not rich. That one not rich. That one rich. Ah, okay, may I take this one? Asaboro, stand up, make you dance for us more. Only my breast. I can check out for you. Small breast they shake. Small breast they shake. I may be never. Ihiala wa media adego wa magboma o eri setting o ihakwiku mekere kere ihakwiku me twin maybe nere na fo ebo me ihiala wa media adego wa magboma ebo me o eri setting o all my peoples super mokpatian fake account when wa joja me say because they were Buhari they were ya toweri they were we mark here baga here o they to where we mark here fake account managbo wa daze wa but muna they give me good vibes they help me wa gberon gun you dey try to dey smell they hold myself know why they hold myself because ya wa fi che wa le wa la kan egbe eba wa kesun so akere de gboeji when we must to mi no ma kin ewo eso is egbo egben do kin sewe I don't know. So you might only do deaf you when you go why we marry your fake cat is swear ya. It's so marvel. It's so so we turn you when you woman there and you say when you well boy J Shedrack Baraka. When they Smith Obaso Yije, yeah, Vaka Lorenesi, but all the same, we are not friends. So please help me to share the video. I did your back. Now I tell love you, let's say I was set in you. What are you baby? Oh, you baby, you want to be one when he said again, lo. Understand? So, you know, that's where I'll go work. I go work. I did on vacation. You know the city where this so. I can't greet my mama. I go please no moment. Ule wo ya sorry because e ko ma wa fun e ga ta lo wana. Ge jog oya ma me gun mi. Be o yi da. E ge o ma me ke se won ya to ayokwa. So please help us to share this video. Tell your friends about us. It's not just about me, it's about myself and you. You and you and you makes up Asaboro talk show. If there is no you, there is no me. I am telling you guys the truth. Without viewers, without commenters, presenters are egoy. They are nowhere. So that's why I love you people. I always tell you the truth. I present it to you in my own little way, or my own little understanding. And if I have offended you in my way of talking, in any manner, any way, forgive me. Do not hold it to heart. Just take and say, they have a good one. So please, always tamper justice with mercy. We are all one. We are all one. There's an adage that says, united we stand, divided we fall. If I have judged any way or the other you think I am biased, please tamper justice with mercy. Maybe at that moment, so do not hold grief or bear grief or that way you will not like again. No, I'm not that kind of person. If you get to meet me one-on-one, you will know my kind of person. And do not live with what you've heard about me. I am not a perfect person. I am not so good. Maybe I married you, but all the same, I am still good for those that know my words. Do you understand? So I love you all. Bless up. Happy New Year ahead. God bless you. God bless me. God bless our household. God bless each and everything around us, the positive things around us. Don't even insult him, Nani. I don't insult people, do I? Okay, if I have insulted anybody in any form of which I don't know, I might think I am talking or I am playing, please tamper justice with mercy. Pardon me and forgive me. It might be a slip of tongue or a diagua. So I love you all. God bless you. God be with you. Try to be with me anytime I am on live. Kindly share my video to the world. Tell them about me just like the Christians talk about Jesus Christ. Let them know about this page just like the Christians know Jesus Christ. So please do me a good evangelism. Tell people about this presenter, and when you observe an error, tell Asaboro. That is it. God bless you, that writer. God bless you. Okay, not me. God bless you, sweetheart. So please love us. Love me. I am just like your sister. I am just like your flesh and blood. I am just as you are. I am nothing without you. Love you guys. Bye.